Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working on a Dodge Dart, guys. And if you have the one with the start-stop switch, guys, the one with the keyless start-stop engine start switch, guys, stay with us and we'll explain how to remove and how to replace that switch now, guys. Not very complicated procedure. We're going to cover everything from start to finish. Quick introduction, guys. Every car we get at the show we make at least 200 videos, and that's the case with this Dodge Dart. Why we do all that, guys? Why we take our cars completely apart? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. So please, guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and hopefully you will find the information helpful. If you guys need to buy a new switch, any replacement parts or tools for your car, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where you can get all that from for a super good price and fast shipping as well, guys. So this is it. This is our start-stop switch. That's what it looks like. So stay with us and we'll go ahead and show you how to do it on that 2015 Dodge Dart now. So what do we need to do now, guys? Okay, we need to get a 7mm socket. This is, guys, 7mm. Okay, let me focus here quick. This is a 7mm socket right here with the electric screwdriver, so it can save us a little bit of time. And if you come under the steering wheel right here, there is one screw that we need to remove. Okay, you can see this one here. Perfect. Okay, this one's coming out. Now what else we need to do? Right here, guys, okay, we have one cover that we need to pry open. I would recommend to use only plastic panel removal tools. We have the link in the description of the video below. Okay, what you're going to do, you need to get underneath. Okay, let me pass the camera quick here so I don't drop that thing. Perfect. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clips that we need to remove. So with that being said, guys, what else we have? Here we have one more bolt that we're going to remove. Then we have one more over there. Things started looking better now. What else we need to do, guys? Okay, right here I'm going to get the panel removal tool, and okay, we're going to pry here a few clips open. Perfect. Now I'll come on this side over there. Let me just see. Okay, it will take me just 1 second. Okay, perfect. And that trim piece, okay, came out just like that, guys. You can see all the way loose. So next step, guys, once you get that piece loose, okay, why we needed to do all that? Because right here underneath you have one bolt, okay, that we'll need to remove. That bolt is with 7mm, guys, 7mm socket. Okay, so let's go ahead, get it loose. Perfect. Okay, check it out. Now with that being removed, guys, I'm going to turn. Okay, I'm going to actually put the car, okay, turn the ignition on, put the car, okay, neutral. I'll put the emergency brake on, okay, all the way. And now we will open the glove box, guys, and here you have a few clips that you need to go ahead and pull. Okay, check it out now. Okay, and looks like nothing's holding on this side. I think we just have clips, guys, holding everything in place. Perfect. You can see how tight everything is. Okay, extremely tight. Now we need to, guys, disconnect the cables. How we do that? Okay, right here we push in and we slide that blue piece over. Okay. We almost hit it, guys. Give me a second. Okay, so I can actually, okay, check it out now. You just need to press the center piece in. Okay, there is like a tooth. Okay, now slide it over. Okay, like that. Pull it out. Now on the bottom we have the socket here. Okay, you can see that socket for the cigarette lighter. Press in the middle. Okay, right here. Disconnect it, guys. Now that piece we can get it out. What I'll do, I'll just go ahead, put it in park, make sure that you don't roll on a hill or anything, turn the ignition off, guys. The safest thing, actually, even removing those so you don't burn anything electronic wise, you can override the switch, okay, to put it in neutral, okay, without starting the car. We have a video how to do that. Just search on our channel for Dodge Dart Stuck in Park, how to put in neutral, and you can find out, guys. But you have to be extremely careful not to roll on a hill. Make sure your emergency brake works. Put tire chokes so you don't roll on a hill or something like that. And let's continue now with the next step. So now, guys, let us show you what needs to be done actually to remove and replace the start-stop switch. Right here you have, guys, okay, let me actually bring that steering wheel to the front and up so I have more room. You guys have 4 bolts that you need to remove, okay, with 7mm socket. Okay, and while we're removing those, okay, let me show you. I'll grab from right here. Okay, and hold it, guys. And that switch, that switch got stuck. I dropped it sideways. Let me go ahead and find it quick, because with the camera and the switch it's almost impossible to get it out. So what I'll do, okay, let me pass the camera and I will actually attempt to reach it from here, guys. And pull it out. Okay, the only thing that we need to disconnect is the wire, okay, right here. You're going to press in and your start-stop switch, guys, it's out of the car. You can see just like that. That's how you guys remove it. So hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to do that. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.